Hello, I'm Dylan. Welcome to my first YouTube video. So recently we were on the news for making our most recent cookbook, the Quarantine Cookbook, which the link will be in the description to find it on Amazon. And on the news we made a recipe called the Bad Monkey Garlic Bread. And I decided I'm going to make that exact thing today on our YouTube video. The things you will need is you'll need half a cup of Parmesan cheese, a fourth a cup of green onions, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, a whole stick of butter melted. So you could just melt it in the microwave by doing like 30-second intervals. And you're going to need 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. That could differ. If you do more mayonnaise, it's going to be a thicker spread. And if you do less, it'll be a lighter spread. And then for some taste, you want garlic powder and Worcester sauce. And finally, you're going to need a loaf of sourdough or a French roll or any type of bread. We're using a French loaf split in half. So let's get into making it. For step 1, what you need to do is you need to mix all your ingredients inside a good sized bowl with any type of bigger spoon. Okay, so add 1 cup of cheese, a half cup of Parmesan, a fourth a cup of green onions, a stick of butter melted, let me get mayo. I already have this pre-measured, so it might not look the same. I'm not doing exact tablespoons. I'm just going to start stirring until we have a good amount of mayo. And then, finally, we're going to want to add the half teaspoon of Worcester sauce. Then, get your spoon and mix it up really well. I used all the mayonnaise I already had measured out, but I like a little extra. I like it to be more thick, so I'm going to add a little more. Stir it in. Okay, that looks about right. Let's move on to step 2. Now for step 2, we're going to spread the mixture we just made on our loaf of bread. Okay, so all we're going to do is we're going to get a little bit of the mixture, put it on the bread, and spread it around. And put however much you want on the bread. You can never have too much or too little. And once you have the amount you want on the bread, you want to top it with a little bit of the garlic powder. And then you do the same thing with the other piece of bread. Okay. Finally, you're going to set your oven to high broil, and then go ahead and put the bread in. Once you put the bread in the oven on high broil, it's going to cook really fast, so make sure to watch the bread in the oven. And once the cheese starts to bubble on the top, you want to take it out, and it's going to come out looking like this. Here's a piece if you can't see it. Thank you so much for watching our video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. The link to our cookbook is in the description of the video. So, see you next time.